Welcome back. My name is Kennedy. So in this video I'm going to talk about information gathering with the Metasploitable 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is to show you how you can connect the Metasploitable 2 with our Linux so that they can connect to each other. So come here to my machine, go to settings. After I go to settings, just try to make these computers connect to each other. Go to network tab, then make sure it is on bridge adapter. If it was on NAT, just switch it to bridge adapter so that this Linux machine can connect with the Metasploitable 2. So the same way, come to the VirtualBox here and click on Metasploitable 2. Go to settings, just locate to the network tab and make sure it is also bridge adapter. So these two machines, they will communicate to each other. They will respond. If you send a packet, if you try to scan, they'll respond to each other. So after that, now let us open our Linux, and the first thing we should do is to launch our terminal here, where we are going to type our commands. Let me just click this terminal and launch my terminal. Let me zoom in. Alright, I believe that one is good. Now, anytime you are running a Metasploitable 2, we're going to use a Metasploit framework to do our scanning. So first of all, let us launch our database service PostgreSQL start. So this one will initialize the database called PostgreSQL, which makes our Metasploit framework to run faster. Then we use the Metasploit framework to do our scanning through the Metasploitable 2. Now, to launch a Metasploit framework, just type msf console, like that. So let us wait for the Metasploit framework to load. Yes, as you can see, it is loading now. Starting the Metasploit framework console. Good. Now our Metasploit framework is here, and this is the banner. And as you can see down here, we have 2071 exploits, 1123 auxiliary, 352 post modules, 592 payloads, 45 encoders, 10 knobs, and 7 versions. But these ones we have explained them in the previous video. So the first thing you're going to do in port scanning, let us just use an nmap scan here, and let's specify the flag /SS, small letter s and capital S. This means a stealth scan, which will scan all the ports in the Metasploitable 2 so that you can know which kind of ports are open and closed. So let us just type the IP address of the Metasploitable 2. And if you don't know how to get the Metasploitable 2 IP address, just open it. Open the Metasploitable 2 and type here if config. And the address is inet 192.168.0.33. So that's our IP address. So let us type it here, 192.168.0.33, and press enter. So starting nmap 7.91, and let us see our results after this stealth scan. So as you can see, we get a bunch of open ports which are open, and as you know very well that Metasploitable 2 is a vulnerable system, which means it is not much secure. So we'll get a lot of ports which are open. So with that information in hand, let us now try to use one of the inbuilt auxiliary scanners which were defined in the previous chapter. So let us try to use something like SSH versions. SSH means secure shell host, and the secure shell hosts use cryptography and authentication to connect to two computers, or 4 or 5, depending on the kind of computers you want to connect. So let us use those auxiliary scanners. So first of all, let us search SSH, and we can get which kind of SSH are within this Metasploit framework. So we have a bunch of them here. So let me try to use any of them. Let me try to use this one here. Auxiliary scanner SSH version. So 23, I think. Yeah. So let us just type here use 23. You can specify the number, or you can type the whole name of the auxiliary you want to use, or you can just type the number. So in my case, I've typed the number, use 23. Sorry, use 23. And as you can see, the scanner is valid and it is existing. That's why the color changes to red. Now I want to see more information about this scanner. So let me use the show options, or you can just type show info, but in my case, let me just use show options. So to see the options, this is where I'm going to see which kind of parameters I'm supposed to set and which ones are already set for me. So like as you can see, rhost is yes, it is required, which means we have to specify the rhost. This is the remote operating system you're going to scan, which is our Metasploitable 2. And the R port is 22 by default. It is set already for TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. And the threads, we can set thread. So let us start with rhost and say set rhost, and let us type the IP address of our Metasploitable 2 machine, which is this one. Then let us set again threads. Let us set threads like 20, and timeout is already set for us. So let me confirm if my sets are all good. As you can see, our rhost, which is the Metasploitable 2 IP address, and threads are set. So the next thing we can do is just hit on run, because this is an auxiliary, it is not an exploit. So we don't use the exploit command, we use the run command. Type that one and press enter. So as you can see, the nmap is scanning, and according to our feedback, we get that SSH server version is running, which is SSH 2.0, and it is open, and we have SSH 4.7, and it is running on Debian Ubuntu Survey version 4.7. And you can see that this is a way of trying to utilize the SSH version to gather information from Metasploitable 2 host operating system. So the auxiliary module execution completed, and the scan of one host 100%. So we just wanted to know the kind of SSH version running on this Metasploitable 2, which is Debian Ubuntu. And as you can see, we have a plus here, which means this is our feedback. So this is what we are looking for, this one here. So I think that is good for this tutorial. That's the end of it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Let's meet in the next video.